Question 32. The probability of Ashley being the catcher in a softball game is 2/5. Calculate the exact probability that she will be the catcher in exactly 5 of the next 6 games. All right, so the exact probability just means to not round your answer. This part over here, exactly 5 of the next 6 games, that has to do with your setup. So we have 2 things we have to talk about or think about. How many games total and how many times are we looking at something to happen, and then what's our chances of that thing happening? Now these are very popular questions on the Regents, the Bernoulli's theorem. All right, so we have a total of 6 games, and we're going to choose 5 of them for her to be a catcher. Actually, I'll do it in blue. Then we have 2 probabilities. Is going to be a catcher is 2/5, and is not going to be a catcher. And that, remember, is these 2 go together. So 2/5 is, 3/5 is not going to be a catcher. So now you have to know which way to put your powers. The 5 represents will be a catcher. So as long as you put the 5 on the probability that is a catcher, it doesn't matter the way you would put 2/5 and 3/5. So this guy means will be a catcher. So we're going to put a 5 power on that. And that means if we have 6 games and we want 5 of them to be a catcher, we're going to have 1 that's not being a catcher. Okay, so now we're going to put this in our calculator. And then it'll look like that. And then you're going to get your answer. The exact probability means not to round. So you will have the whole decimal will be your answer. If you round that answer, you will lose points. Now the 84 doesn't convert to a fraction. You can always try, because fraction form I prefer the best, because you know that that answer is going to be the exact answer, but it does not. On the Inspires though, you will get a fraction as an answer. So this answer will also be accepted. For you guys.